Unlocking safety, the magic of child locks. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a practical and essential feature found in many devices and vehicles: the child lock. Whether you're a parent, guardian, or just someone curious about safety mechanisms, understanding how to activate child locks can be a game changer in ensuring safety for children. A child lock is a safety feature designed to prevent children from opening doors, windows, or accessing potentially dangerous devices without supervision. It's most commonly found in cars, where it can prevent children from opening doors during a drive, and on various household appliances, such as cabinets, refrigerators, or microwaves, to keep curious little hands at bay. Activating child locks is crucial for enhancing safety and preventing accidents. In vehicles, it ensures children cannot open doors while moving, protecting them from the risk of falling out or getting injured. At home, it helps in preventing access to hazardous items or areas, reducing the likelihood of accidents or ingestion of harmful substances. It's all about creating a safer environment for children to explore. In vehicles. 1. Locate the child lock mechanism, usually found on the edge of the door, accessible when the door is open. 2. Use a key or a screwdriver to switch the lock to the on or active position. 3. Test the door to ensure it cannot be opened from the inside while the child lock is activated. On appliances and cabinets. 1. Read the manufacturer's instructions carefully, as the activation method can vary. 2. Install child-proof locks or latches as needed, ensuring they are out of reach of children. 3. Regularly check the locks to ensure they are functioning correctly. Regularly inspect the child locks to ensure they are in good working condition. Educate older children about the purpose and importance of child locks for their safety and the safety of younger siblings. Never leave children unattended in vehicles, even if child locks are activated. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and functionality of child locks, helping you create a safer environment for the little ones. Remember, taking these small steps can make a significant difference in preventing accidents and ensuring the well-being of children. Stay safe, and see you in our next video.